Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Dasher app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your phone number on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account, then click on Profile, then click on Edit Profile. Then towards the bottom, you're going to see your phone number. So go ahead and enter your new phone number here, and there you have it. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your phone number on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.